Now, what's in special for Beyond Bangalore and Mysore? What can we expect? Maybe, I can start again with Sujit. Sujit, I have another question for you. Recently, the Honorable Prime Minister of Netherlands, Mr. Mark Rutte, had visited Karnataka along with his 60 plus companies, a delegation to Karnataka. So if you can throw light on, how was the overall experience and what is the sentiments post the Prime Minister's visit of Netherlands to Karnataka, and anything special for the Mysore or the Beyond Bengaluru, Sujit.
Sure, Chetan. So just to set a brief context, what Chetan mentioned. So in the year 2018, the Prime Minister of the Netherlands, Mark Rutte, was supposed to visit Bangalore, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, he had to go back to the Netherlands. But he did promise he will return during his next trip. Of course, he did visit. So the Netherlands was one of the guest countries for the G20 summit, and just like he had promised earlier, he did visit Bangalore soon after he finished his assignment in Delhi at G20. So what was special about this visit was the Prime Minister. It's just not the Prime Minister who visited Bangalore. It was 60 plus Dutch companies along with the Prime Minister who visited Bangalore to, in fact, just not Bangalore, to explore other areas in the region, including Mysore. So I think by far this was the biggest delegation which we received in the last decade or so from the Netherlands. And the response was absolutely outstanding, and most of the Dutch companies saw a lot of potential in terms of trade, investment, research, innovation. So if you see, out of the 60 companies, 20 companies were from healthcare, 20 companies were from agriculture, another 20 companies were from key enabling technology. So all in all, I think for most of the companies, it was a productive visit. And during this particular ministerial visit, along with the trade delegation, there were about 25 plus MOUs which were signed between Indian and Dutch companies, and there were about a couple of launches which took place as well. And while we speak about Beyond Bangalore or Bengaluru initiative, so Chetan or Kedem and the consulate of the Netherlands thought, hey, let's jump into the boat and start doing something beyond Bangalore. And that's when we thought the city of The Hague, soon after the delegation in Bangalore concluded, we had someone from the city of The Hague visit Mysore and explore opportunities in the area of cybersecurity. And now it has turned out to be that we will, the consulate, the KDM, and the city of The Hague together will be organizing a digital soft landing program, which is basically nothing but a market access program for Indian startups in the area of cybersecurity to access the European market through the Netherlands. So this is something which we will be starting probably around December or January. Everything is pretty much put on paper. So we will have to just kickstart the entire process. But before this, we have also done other digital soft landing programs in the area of agri-tech. You know, there were about 90 applications which we got in the area of agri-tech, and out of which 12 Indian startups successfully completed the program. And I think about 4 to 5 startups are now almost at the stage of setting up their establishment in the Netherlands for their business. So while we speak, I think cybersecurity is Mysore is known for, again, cybersecurity. The government has, put in a lot of effort to make this as a cybersecurity hub, and the city of The Hague is also known for cybersecurity. So it's a great win-win situation and a great marriage. And I think starting off with this kind of a program will already kickstart the Beyond Bengaluru initiative between the Netherlands and Karnataka. So we are looking forward to see what other areas of collaboration could possibly take place. But of course, I would also like to mention my colleague Balaji and Arpita, who are also playing an instrumental role in the market access program for Indian startups in the area of cybersecurity. So yeah, this is something which we have already kickstarted as far as Beyond the Bengaluru initiative goes by.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Sujit. You know, we are
And
equally
of course,
excited.
thank you for Kerem. Thank you to Kerem as well, because I mean, I haven't seen much more professional organization, at least when it comes to a semi-government organization, who takes a lot of initiatives and puts things in place. So, Kerem is also going to act as sourcing partner for the cybersecurity startups to basically source cybersecurity startups from Karnataka, or for that matter, India as well. So we are looking forward to work with you as well, Chetan.
Absolutely,
Thank you.
Sujit. We are equally excited to
Absolutely.
launch this program. And Mysore is a shared, common, cybersecurity focus area for both the geographies. We look forward for that.
Absolutely,
Thanks,
Chetan.
thanks,
Thank you.
Sujit.